Welcome to Golden Software's demonstration video for Didger 5 Part 3. In this part of the demonstration, I will be covering the topic downloading online maps and adding map servers. In this video, we will import a shapefile containing the roads near Golden, Colorado. The shapefile will be used to define the extents of the Didger project. Once we have the extents defined by the shapefile, we will use the Download Online Maps feature in Didger 5 to download image overlays available on a web map service or WMS server. Starting with a blank Didger project, click File, Import to import the Golden Road shapefile. In the Import dialog, navigate to the Didger 5 samples. Select the Golden Road shapefile and click Open. Next, we will use the Download Online Maps feature to download an aerial image of the Golden, Colorado area. Click Image, Download Online Maps to open the Download Online Maps dialog. In the Download Online Maps dialog, use the Select Data Source options to download aerial imagery by navigating to Imagery, NAIP Color Imagery for US, Ortho Imagery USGS. Select the Ortho Imagery data source. The Ortho Imagery will automatically load the map extent that is currently displayed in Didger. A preview of the map area you will download is displayed in the preview window. Next, we will select the area to download and the image resolution for the downloaded image. Click the arrow next to Select Area to Download to display the options for specifying the area that you would like to download. You can choose to download the entire data source extents, the area within a specified distance of a certain latitude-longitude location, or by specifying the bounds of the latitude-longitude area that you would like to download. If the map is already using latitude-longitude coordinates, then by default the Specify Latitude-Longitude Extents option will be selected, displaying the current extents of the Didger project. Select the image resolution to download by adjusting the slider to the pixel dimensions and image size you would like to download. For this example, I will choose to download a 4 MB image. In the Log section of the Download Online Maps dialog, you can see the status of the map server that you are connected to. Click the arrow next to Log to display the server log information. Click OK to download this image to your Didger project. While the map is downloading, a Downloading Map dialog will be displayed to show the download progress. The downloaded image will be added as the top layer in your Didger project, obscuring the Golden Roads layer. In the Layer Manager, select the WMS Ortho image layer and drag it below the Golden Roads layer so that the roads display on top of the downloaded image. We will now add additional downloaded map layers to the Didger project using the Download Online Maps feature. First, select the Coordinate Manager tab to display the coordinate extent of the layers you have displayed. Leave these coordinates in view. Use the Image Download Online Maps tool to download an additional layer to Didger. In the Download Online Maps dialog, navigate to Select Data Source, US Data, DRCOG, Muni 2013 to download the municipal boundaries in the Golden, Colorado area that intersect the map. When you download the municipal boundaries map with the default extents, the downloaded area may be outside of the layers that are currently displayed on the map. In the Download Online Maps dialog, you can clip the downloaded data to the current extent of the map. To do so, enter the west, north, south, and east latitude-longitude extents that correspond to the minimum and maximum values listed in the Coordinate Manager. Click OK to download the Muni 2013 layer into Didger. When you set the map extents manually in the Download Online Maps dialog, the layer will import to the specified bounds. In this example, the municipal boundaries have been clipped to only include the maximum extent of the downloaded ortho image. A new feature in Didger 5 is the ability to set the opacity for all objects included in your project. To set the bitmap opacity of an imported image overlay, select the bitmap object in the Data Manager, indicated with the image icon. In the Property Manager, set the bitmap opacity to the percentage that you would like to use. You can also set the opacity for line objects in the same way. In the Data Manager, select a line object. In the Property Manager, navigate to Line Properties, Opacity, and set the desired opacity for the selected line object. Two other nice features of the Download Online Maps command in Didger 5 are the ability to add your own WMS servers and create a list of your favorite WMS servers. Click Image, Download Online Maps to open the Download Online Maps dialog. To add a new WMS server to the list of available servers, right-click on one of the section header names such as Imagery or US Data and click Add. In the Add Data Source dialog, enter the name and URL of the WMS server that you would like to save in the Download Online Maps dialog. As an example, I will illustrate adding a WMS server from the USGS that includes geological data for the state of Colorado. Click Next. Surfer will attempt to contact the WMS server and return an initial test success message if the WMS server was able to be contacted by Didger. Click Finish to add this WMS server in the Download Online Maps dialog. The maps on this server will now be listed in the Download Online Maps dialog and available for download. If the WMS server cannot be found, or an incorrect URL is entered, the Add Data Source dialog will display an initial test failed message. If you have a WMS server that you use frequently, you can add this to the Favorites section in the Select Data Source window. This can save you time and make it easier to find frequently used WMS servers. To add a server to your favorites, right-click the server and select Add Favorite. You should now be able to add additional WMS servers and download maps directly into your projects. For a list of WMS servers that have been tested for use in the Download Online Maps dialog, visit the Golden Software Support Central page of the Golden Software website and click the WMS Servers link. If you would like to suggest a server to be added to the website, please email wms@goldensoftware.com. This concludes my demonstration of the new Download Online Maps feature in Didger 5.